Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2007 Nissan D40 Navara dual cab STX, stock reference number 4325. This shape runs from the 9th month 05 through to the 8th month 2015. There's a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Factory alloy bull bar supplied with all bolts and brackets. Chrome radiator grille. Right hand headlight. Left hand headlight. Left guard with factory snorkel. Appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags with black wrap all over them. Left front has a good tyre. We have a chrome power window. Left hand door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. We have a pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets. Factory alloy sports bar with all bolts and brackets covered in black wrap. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with black wrap and a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 1 small dent. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror indicator type in chrome. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, twin plugged, non-central Loctite. This vehicle is fitted with dark grey cloth interior. It's got the twin knobs on the driver's seat. Also has a little bit of wear on the driver's seat. Has a grey vinyl centre console lid. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, non-triptronic type. Standard heated controls, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.